Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the hidden gems of the culinary world. Today, we're diving into the vibrant flavors of Lebanon as we uncover the unknown facts about the Lebanese Samkeh Harra sandwich. If you're a fan of delicious, spicy, and exotic flavors, you're in for a treat. Lebanon, a country known for its rich history, diverse culture, and, of course, its mouth-watering cuisine. The Samkeh Harra sandwich, a local favorite, offers a tantalizing blend of flavors you won't find anywhere else. But before we dig into this incredible sandwich, let's start with the basics. Origins of Samkeh Harra. Samkeh Harra, which translates to spicy fish, is a Lebanese seafood dish that dates back centuries. It was originally prepared with whole fish, but today, it's often served in sandwich form, making it a more convenient and portable option for food lovers on the go. The ingredients. Alright, so what makes the Samkeh Harra sandwich so special? The key to a great Samkeh Harra sandwich is the fresh ingredients. You'll need fish, typically grouper or red snapper, marinated in a flavorful blend of spices like cumin, paprika, and chili. It's then grilled to perfection. The secret sauce here is the tahini, mixed with garlic, lemon juice, and a hint of chili paste for that extra kick. It's what gives the sandwich its unique creaminess and a bit of heat. The assembly. Once the fish is grilled, it's placed inside fresh Lebanese flatbread, usually warmed for that perfect texture. Then, the tahini sauce is generously drizzled over the fish. To add a bit of crunch and freshness, we've got some finely chopped vegetables, typically tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions, along with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. The flavors. The first bite is an explosion of flavors. The tender, smoky fish blends perfectly with the creamy, tangy tahini sauce. The fresh vegetables add a delightful crunch and a burst of freshness, while the chili gives it a kick that makes your taste buds dance. But the experience of the Samkeh Harra sandwich goes beyond the taste. It's about the atmosphere, the friendly people, and the rich culture that you can find right here on the streets of Lebanon. Cultural significance. The Samkeh Harra sandwich is not just a tasty dish, it carries a deep cultural significance in Lebanon. Fish has been a staple in Lebanese cuisine for centuries, owing to its Mediterranean location. The preparation of Samkeh Harra has been passed down through generations, preserving the traditions of the country. It's often enjoyed as a communal meal, bringing families and friends together. The act of sharing a Samkeh Harra sandwich is a symbol of togetherness and the warmth of Lebanese hospitality. Regional variations. Lebanon's diverse regions have put their own spin on the Samkeh Harra sandwich. In coastal areas, it's often served with the catch of the day, while in mountainous regions, you might find variations with freshwater fish. Each area's unique ingredients and flavors add to the charm of this beloved dish. Pairing and beverage. So, what's the perfect beverage to pair with a Samkeh Harra sandwich? In Lebanon, it's quite common to enjoy this spicy delicacy with a glass of fresh mint lemonade or a classic ayran yogurt drink. The cooling effect of these beverages complements the spiciness of the sandwich. A street food icon. Lebanon is known for its street food, and the Samkeh Harra sandwich is no exception. It's not just a meal, it's an icon of Lebanese street food culture. You'll find it served at bustling food stalls, where the tantalizing aroma of grilling fish draws in passersby. The health benefits. But it's not just about flavor. The Samkeh Harra sandwich offers a range of health benefits. The grilled fish is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health. The inclusion of fresh vegetables adds essential vitamins and minerals, making it a well-balanced meal. So there you have it, the unknown facts about the Lebanese Samkeh Harra sandwich. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that captures the essence of Lebanese cuisine. If you ever find yourself in Lebanon, be sure to try one of these. You won't be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious journeys like this one. Until next time, Keep exploring the flavors of the world.